All right, so I was installing a block heater on a friend's truck, and it was kind of like this, where there is no room to get anything in there. And it was a tap fit type block heater. And I was thinking to myself, so at first I was trying to use this to tap it in there, but there was no room to move my hand. So I'm in there doing that. Wasn't going anywhere. In the video, the guy was able to get it with a little hammer, but this is kind of the case for a lot of things. So I'm thinking to myself, well, I could use an air hammer, but the amount of space I had was about this much, right? And so I wasn't able to do that. And I don't know why I never thought of this before, but I just made up one of these little plug. I actually had to make two because the first one fell out, and I stuck it in a palm nailer. There was enough room to get it in there. I made it out of brass so it didn't mess anything up too much, and then just now, when you don't have space to reach or hit it with a hammer, you can do that. Pretty nifty little trick. So if you have a lathe, or I mean, you could even do that with, if you got a 3/8 dowel or cut off a chunk of something. The only issue is it kind of gets stuck in there, but since you're probably a machinist anyways, if you're watching this video, or at least a crafty person, you can probably figure it out how to get it out. So anyways, good trick for a pretty common problem, really, at the end of the day.